Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I will show you how you can set privacy to secure your WhatsApp and secures your account. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly open the WhatsApp, and here you will see three dot on top right. Click on here, and then you will see setting options. Click on here, and then you will see privacy options. Click on here, and then you will see profile photo. So you can see who can see my profile photo, because sometimes we want to set privacy that no one can see our profile photo. So when you will click on nobody, it's mean that nobody can see your profile photo. So when you will click on my contact, it's mean that those contact which I have added in the mobile or sim or and Gmail, so that contact which are our contact can see our profile photo. So when I will click on my contact accept, it's mean that those contact which you will select, only that selected contact can see your profile. So in this way you can set privacy on the profile. You can select everyone, my contact accept, and nobody. So you can select according to you. So when you will click on my status, so you will see three option here: my contact accept, and only share with contact. So when you will click on my contact, it mean that only your contact can see your status. So if you will click on only share with friends, it's mean that only selected friend can see your status. Then if you will click on my contact accept, then those friend which you will select cannot see your WhatsApp status. So other friends which you have not selected, they can see your WhatsApp status. So in this way you can set privacy on the WhatsApp status. So after that, when I will go back, and then you will see the options of default message timer. Click on here, and then you will see the options of 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days, or off. When I will click on 24 hour, it's mean that after 24 hour my all message will automatically deleted. So when I will click on 7 days, it's mean that after 7 days my all contact will be deleted. So when I will click on 90 days, it's mean that after 90 days my all message will be deleted. So when I will click on off, it's mean that my default message timer will be off. So in this way you can set privacy that your contact will be deleted or message will be deleted after that time. So guys, in this way you can set privacy on the default message timer, because sometimes we receive a lot of message and we want that our message will automatically deleted after the selected time. So in this way you can select time and set time. After that time that message will automatically deleted which you have selected. So in this way you can set privacy on the default message timer. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. When you will click on my group options, it's mean that here you will see that you see three options: everyone, my contact, and my contact accept. So when you click on everyone, it's mean that everyone can add you in the group, because sometimes we dislike many groups and our friends will add in that groups which we dislike. So if we want to set privacy that no one can add me in that group, so you can set privacy according to you. So when you will click everyone, it's mean that everyone can add you in that group. It will be really irritating for you in the next time. So because when you will click on my contact, it's mean that those contact which you have added in friend list or added in your mobile will be able to add in the WhatsApp group. So when you will click on my contact accept, it's mean that your contact can add you in the groups. So when you will click on my contact accept, and here only those contact which you will not select can be add you in the WhatsApp group. So if in this way you can set privacy on who can add you in the WhatsApp group. So after that you will see the live location options. So here you will see the options of you are not sharing live location in any chats, because I have set the privacy on the live location. I don't want to share my live location to anyone. That's why I have set privacy on the my live location. So in this way you can set privacy on the live location, because sometimes we need to share our live location to our friends. So if you want to share your live location with your friends, you can set privacy, and you can hide your privacy on live location, and you can easily share your live location to your friends, because sometimes we need it very importantly. So after that you will see the options of call. When you will click on this options, click on turn off, it's mean that silence unknown callers. When you will busy, or you are in office or in family, if or when you are very busy, you can enable it and you can turn it on, and it means that all message from the unknown call will be not see to you. So after that you will see the options of block contact, and here you will see those contact which you have been blocked. You can see here your blocked contact list. So in this way you can set the privacy on who can add you in the blacklist, and you can see the blacklist on the WhatsApp. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.